Hi everyone, this is Prateek.
This is Saksham.
We are chilling out here today around the Vistula River in Warsaw, and I had a very interesting question that I thought we should share with the audience today. How did you figure out the niche that we wanted to eventually venture into with Edudite?
Beautiful, beautiful thought to share. So, because India is a 1.5 billion market, we are into study abroad. We could have easily ventured out to just expanding across India, but then we went to Africa. And how did we figure out? Yes, number one is destiny. Destiny took us there. And the second is when I got the opportunity first time to go to Africa, I realized that how distressful the market is, how distressed the market is. That there is no consultancy, there is no agency which has been there for generations. Like in India, we have generational agencies, people taking over, but there were nobody like that. So I thought this is a beautiful place to work across different nations, expanding into different horizons. One, it kind of fulfills my passion for travel as well. It fulfills the objective of getting to know the world a little more, little closer, making us humble. And secondly, expanding into the place where we can build something generational. Now, 10 years down the line, I feel that we have generated that kind of trust, credibility, the students' repo, the referrals, initially bringing 8 students to 800 today. I think that's how we kind of navigated it, and obviously the trust from the university sides as well. How do you think we have navigated, according to you, in that market?
I think very rightly said that in the markets, it was, I mean, everyone used to think at the first sight every person is a scammer. That's, I think, in our initial days also, that's the first thing that we used to get. Is this not a scam?
Yeah.
That's the question that we were tired of answering. But I think eventually what happened is we stayed there. We made sure that every month, every year we are there, we are not leaving, because that is the reality of the market, that a lot of agents do not really exist for a long period of time, and that creates sort of a notion where everyone would just run away with your money. We have been in the market, it's been about almost 10 years now, and we make sure that every year we go and we make our presence feel. We sit in our offices, we sit in those countries, we go to places where people now recognize us, recognize the company, and that places the trust, because they know that even when the child graduates, a parent can be confident that these guys will still be here, we will come find them, and we will be happy to probably take the services again. So I think consistency again has brought us here.
And now we are happy to share that we have even our community working with PwC and all of that. And my mother used to say that you need to just go and sit on your seat, and the seat gives you that kind of respect back. So we make sure that we have different seats in different continents and different locations and different countries, and we have somebody there. And obviously the local market also has supported us a lot. The community of Africa has supported us a lot. They have placed a lot of trust, and that's why we call ourselves the Son of Africa. We are the Sons of Africa, and we are expanding. So log on to matchmyuni.com to find out what exciting things we are doing, and let's show us the view of where we are right now. The beautiful Vistula River in Warsaw. It's a lovely day today, and it's our last day as well. So guys, if you enjoy these conversations with us and you want us to bring more, so just like, share and subscribe, and share with that one person who might find it useful, who's trying to find his niche into his or her business. So guys, till next time, ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao.
See you next time. Please drop a like. Please do comment what would you like to hear next from us, and we'll be happy to share. See you until next time. Study abroad.
Study abroad with Edudite. Bloopers.